Hi, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Excel template import feature in the dealer portal. This tool makes it easy to upload multiple shade orders all at once. So let's walk through it together. From your dashboard, head over to your cart page. This is where you'll find the option to download the template and import your order. Click on Shade Template to download the file. Once it's downloaded, click on Show in Folder. From here you can right-click the file and go into Properties. If you see a message that says this file came from another computer and might be blocked, make sure to click Unblock and then hit Apply. This step is very important. If the file stays blocked, certain features like macros won't run, and your template may not work properly. Now open the file, and when prompted, enable macros. Once the file is open, you can start filling in your shade order details. Be careful with option combinations. Some features won't work together. For example, Lift Assist isn't compatible with a small 20 by 20 shade. If you try to upload an invalid combination, you'll see an error message in the confirmation box, and that row will be rejected. Once you've finished entering all the details, save the file and close the window. From here you can click Import Shade. As you can see, all the shades were successfully uploaded, except the one with the incompatible option combination. From here you can edit each individual row to fine-tune your selections and complete your order, or if you'd like to start fresh, just click Clear Order.